Most of the websites that uses artificial intelligence that we have seen so far are usually conversational systems with which you can chat and ask them things. But there is more you can do with artificial intelligence these days. I'm Frederick from the Thelionics Creative Studio, and in today's video I'll be showing you series of websites based on artificial intelligence where you can do many different things. So without delay, let's jump in. The first website is quite spectacular because you only need to make a drawing with few strokes. Then you add a small description, and this website turns it into a complete super detailed photograph. So let's try it. So the first thing you have to do is to click on Conjure Your World right here. So we have the platform right now. So right in here, you can click on Create New or click right inside this space here. So with this window, we'll click on Get Started. The next step is to click on the brush tool here by the left. So after clicking on the brush tool, we have this 3D platform right here. So you're only going to be using the brush tool here. So you can increase the brush size here or you can decrease it. So in my case, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to decrease the size. Then here I will draw a few boxes here. Remember, it's not compulsory that it is perfect. I'm going to draw the kind of a city here. Another one. I think something like this is not bad. Okay. Another one here. All right. Then let's draw the ground. This is going to be the ground. And right inside here where we have this dream of your world, you can type in a detailed information on how you want your image to look. So I've already copied mine, so I'm going to paste. So what I want is a city landscape, a kind of a London style. So after that, we click on Generate. And the platform is going to carry out its own thing. This might take a few minutes. Just as you can see, the few drawings that we made has generated an amazing photograph. So one amazing thing about this is it allows us to move around in 3D forms. Let's assume that the image you are seeing right now is not actually what you wanted. You can move around and see, maybe you get another view. This is amazing. So if you're pleased with this view, you can just click on download to download the image. We have a JPEG or on PNG. So in my case, I'm going to download it in JPEG. I'll save it right here. And as you can see, our image has already been downloaded. Yeah, before I forget, this is a free version, so you're gonna have this watermark on top and below the image, but we can crop this out completely either in Photoshop or in other application. In my case, I'm going to use Photoshop to crop this one out so you can see how it looks. So I'm going to right click on the image, open with, I'm going to select Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to use the crop tool here. Drag. Until the watermark is cropped. Then I click OK. Just as you can see, our image has already been cropped. So I'm going to save this one, save as a copy, leave the name exactly the word it is, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so if I go to the folder, the image has been cropped. Actually, it depends on your creativity idea. You can generate amazing images right on this platform. Another image has been generated here, a kind of Edinburgh style, just as you can see right here. We have the option to zoom and download the exact area that you preferred. Isn't that cool? The next one I'll be showing you is even more incredible because it's capable of replacing the protagonist of a video with a character completely generated in 3D, even though you have no idea about 3D design. I better show it to you so you can see what it's capable of doing. It has a text profile that you can use to see how it works, though it's a paid tool. But with this text profile, you will have an idea of how it actually works. So let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select the template that I really want to use right here among the feature templates. I'm going to click on this guy right here. Then I'll click on using project. Okay. There is an actor here, so I'm going to click on show actor, that is to select the actor. So the actor has been selected here. So I need to go and look for a different actor right here. I think this is going to be okay. This one is okay. Then I drag it right on top of our actor. Then I'm going to click on next. Click on start processing. This might take a few minutes. So I think it's okay. So let's click on it. Let me click on play. Just as you can see, this platform has already changed our actor to a kind of a robot. Let's try another one. I'm going to select this guy here. Click again, use in project. Click show actor to select the actor. As a matter of fact, let me play this clip so you can see. This is our actor. So the idea is to replace our actor with a different actor. First click on select. And I'm going to use the professor. Now just drag and drop in here. Click on next. Click start processing. Play. So now you can see that our actor has been changed. So this platform did it so amazing that we can change an actor or an object in a clip. Another very interesting artificial intelligence tool is the one I'll show you right now. and it is capable of filling or completing a photograph with information that did not exist before. It is a function that we already have in Photoshop and that we can also now find in the tools like this one. It is called Clip Drop, and it has this tool called Uncrop. So let me show you. So right, you can see we are on this platform. All we need to do is to click to select our image. You remember we cropped an image before, so we're going to use the image, this image that was cropped before. So we import the image. So the next thing you have to do is just to click on next, and the platform is going to carry out its own thing as usual. Because we are on a free version, we might need to wait for the image to be processed. Now you can see that our image has been filled up. So another amazing thing about this platform is that it gave us different options right below here. So we can select anyone that we want, then we'll click on download. So if you're not pleased with the image generated, you can click on this plus sign here to generate a different one. So that's gonna be all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you find value in it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video.